السلام عليكم. good evening everyone. الفيديو اللي عملناه أمس هو عن ربط الكسور بالقسمة. how to relate fractions to division. let us continue for more understanding of this lesson. خلينا نكمل عشان تفهموا الآن. احنا أمس وضحنا بالرسوم كيف نحل مسألة قسمة ويكون جوابها على شكل كسر لأنه في بينهم علاقة. الآن خلينا نكمل الفيديو اللي نفهم الأمور أكثر ونحل بدون رسم إن شاء الله. So we need to solve division problems or equations without drawing or using diagrams. Okay. Now look at this question. 5 gallons divided by 4. We did it before. The equation problem is 5 divided by 4. So the answer is 5/4. And when you simplify, it is 1 and 1/4. So you can write the division as a fraction. Today I will show you how to do that using reciprocal. If you remember the drawing of yesterday, here we got the same answer, and here we divide them into 4 groups. So each group has 1 gallon and 1/4. Here we use the other way, so we divide each one into 4, each one into 4, okay? And similarly to others. And then you look at one row. Look at this row. Each one is 1/4. How many fourths in all, or in the whole row? It is 5/4. And when you simplify, it will be 1 and 1/4. Okay? So look at this. 5/4. 1, 4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. So in this row, there is 5/4. Okay, so how can we find this answer or the quotient of the division using reciprocal? I will show you now the example, and then we will do many examples until you understand. Now 5, what I did here, we had 5 gallons divided by 4 buckets. Okay, now we need to use the reciprocal. When you divide number by another one, so you do the reciprocal of the second factor. 4. What is the reciprocal of 4? See, 4 can be written 4/1. So the reciprocal is, just turn over the fraction, it is 1/4. See, so I write 4 here. 1/4. When I use the reciprocal, I change division to multiplication and I write 5. Now multiply. 5 times 1 equal 5/4. So we got the answer that we want. That is the way. So when you have a division, you can do it using reciprocal. Let us do many examples. Let us do this example. The division equation is 3 divided by 5 equal. Let us use the reciprocal and change the division to multiplication. Okay, so 5. What is the reciprocal of 5? It is 1/5 times 3. Let us multiply. 1 times 3 is 3/5. That is the answer or the quotient. Okay, you can draw it, but no need now, because you watched the whole video yesterday. Let us do many examples. If I say 13 divided by 2. So what's the answer? Let us change the problem to multiplication and use the reciprocal of the second factor. So the reciprocal of 2 it is like 2 over 1. The reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2 times 13 times 13. Now 1 times 13 is 13 over 2. Now you notice the numerator is greater, so you can make whole numbers. Every 2 out of 2 is 1 whole. So how many 2 in 13? There are 6 2's. And what is the remainder? 6 times 2 is 12. The remainder is 1 over 2. So the answer is 6.5. Okay, let us do another example. Like 3 divided by 4. Let us using the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 4? 1 over 4 multiplied by 3 equal 1 times 3 is 3 over 4. No need to simplify. This is the quotient. Okay. If you have another problem like 3 divided by 7, use the reciprocal of 7. 1 over 7 multiply 3. 1 times 3 is 3 over 7. I have many examples from Aleph, so I will do 3 ones so you can understand. This is the homework. I will make a screenshot and send it to the chat, inshallah, when I finish the video. Here, look at this example. Which fraction shows equivalent representation of 9 divided by 6? There are 6 answers, but only 2 are correct. So let us use reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 6? Is 1 over 6 times 9. So 1 times 9 equal 9 over 6. But see, and be careful, you have to ask yourself, can you simplify? Is the numerator greater or not? So 9 is greater than 6. You can make mixed number. You can write this improper fraction as a mixed number. So can you make one whole? Yes. Every 6 over 6 one whole. So this, how many 6 in 9? Only 1. If you have 6 out of 9, how many is left? 3 over 6. And look here, can you simplify or you cannot? We can simplify by dividing both numerators and denominators by the same number. See, 3 divided by 3. تعلمنا هذا بالفصل السابق. وقسم 6 على 3. تصير أبسط. So the answer is 1. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. So the answer is 1.5. So this is right answer and this is right answer. So let us look for them. So here is the correct one and here is the another answer. Okay, so these answers are correct. Let us take another example. Sometime you have a mixed number and you have a question asks you to write the division equation. How can I write this mixed number as a division? I will tell you the way. Now I cannot write this as a division because it's mixed number. So I can change it to equivalent fraction written as improper fraction. I can change the mixed number to a fraction. If you remember, we did that in the last trimester. In this way, I can write it as a fraction. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 2, 5 times 2, 10. Plus 2, 12. So the fraction is 12 over 5. Now I can write this fraction as a division. See? It means or represents 12 divided by 5. So this is the correct answer. Let us take another example. Here, write this fraction. This model represents a fraction. Let us write a fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 over 8. I can write this fraction as a division. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 7. Sorry. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 8. Okay, sorry. I just got a little bit confused. 5 over 8. So I can write this fraction as a division. It is 5 divided by 8. So where is the correct answer? Yes, here it is. Now, this is the homework. It is in the book. It is in the book. You have to do it. Because today, most of students didn't bring their textbook and we couldn't do any work on that book. So you have to do it at home and get ready to the next part of the lesson, inshallah, on Aleph. Thank you.